Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW channel, and today we're going to be discussing how I restored the leather seats in my E87 BMW 1 Series. So as many of you may know, a lot of these cars are being bought used, and a lot of them are suffering from wear on the driver's seat especially, and the steering wheel. So it's just a sort of a quick hack that I used to sort of restore mine and bring it back to its former glory. So before I did this, as you can see, this seat has got a little bit of wear on now. I haven't done it for a while, but before I did this, it was all cracked all the way up here, all the way down here as well. And as you can see, it's a nice well-worn seat at nearly 100,000 miles. And the steering wheel here was also, and this is all due to the sun, obviously, on the steering wheel, and the getting in and out on the seats. So first of all, on the seats I used shoe polish because it re-dyed the leather, and it's also like with the shoes, it's got an ice feeding property that also soaks into the leather, rehydrates it and stops it cracking as much. I applied to both, so I coated it with the shoe polish applicator, and then let it soak in for a bit and then rubbed it down, and as you can see, it hasn't got this texture. This is the joys of 4K. It hasn't got the texture, it's all run down smooth, but it's certainly a lot better. So that's how I did the seat, and I actually did the same for the top of the steering wheel. Now this needs doing quite regularly because of the heat and the sun, especially at the moment in the UK. We're hitting well over 30 degrees on most days now, so you'll find that it does sort of degrade slightly sooner than it would. But yeah, that's just a quick explanation of how I sort of restored my seats. It's not a permanent fix. I suppose a permanent fix would be having them reupholstered, but yeah, it's a nice easy job to do. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes, and once you've wiped it all off and wiped it down, as you can see, it looks fairly good. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you've got anything on BMWs in general that you'd like to know that I haven't covered on the channel already, just send me a comment, even, or send me an email at the BMW Guy Official at gmail.co.uk, .com, and we'll do our best to cover it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next one. Cheers.